정밀기계 가공과 산업 플랜트 제작 전문기업 중앙이엠씨 주식회사, 꾸준한 기술 혁신을 통해 최고의 품질을 자부하는 중앙이엠씨 대표 제품 스크린 플레이트를 소개합니다.
Screen is used for most material handling systems. It is the product for classifying the raw material by its size based on the purpose. In steelworks, screen sorts out iron ore, sintered ore, limestone, and coke, and collects floating material. Screen by 중앙이엠씨 produces homogeneous products. Since it is manufactured by automatic production through a robotic welding machine to meet the customer's needs. Using a vibrating screen, screen sorts out raw material by the size the customer wants. Since screen has streamlined shaped fine holes, which enables us to design and manufacture products based on the principle of inducing raw materials from small holes and releasing them into large holes. Compared to the existing products, screen features a minimized possibility of deformation. Plus, improved wear resistance prolongs the life of screen. You can also save management expenses, since it is easy to build and maintain. Furthermore, since we adopted a smart factory system, we fully guarantee you systematic product management and follow-up service. Based on this excellent technological prowess and great follow-up service, we have been designated as an excellent POSCO PHP supplier for 13 consecutive years. Other than that, constant research and development of 중앙이엠씨 acquired multiple patents, ISO Product Quality Management System Certification, Environmental Management System Certification, Occupational Health and Safety Assessment Series Certification by Korea Occupational Safety and Health Agency, and other certifications are evidence that our top-notch technological prowess is widely recognized. The world's best quality screen helps to produce great products. By precisely sorting out raw material, 중앙이엠씨 Corporation Limited is standing here to be your loyal supporter.